Here I have INFINIX Hot 40 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. After the INFINIX logo pops out, and you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. When you see this XOS and no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will end up in recovery mode. So you can navigate through recovery mode using volume keys, you can select using power key. You have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot system now and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.